Hello guys. I'll be showing you quickly how you can get to 150 million points on the hamster combat game in just 10 days. As you can see, this is just my second week and I have accumulated several points already. The first step is to complete your daily reward, especially the daily tasks. If you can be consistent enough to complete this 10-day sequence on the daily hamster combat, you are going to get 6.6 million tokens. If you invite enough friends, complete the hamster YouTube tax, and also invest your points in the staking farms, you stand the chance to increase your profit per hour and also your total points on the hamster combat game. Importantly, it is important for you to log into the hamster combat game every 3 hours to claim your accumulated points. It's a simple process. All it needs is your consistency while staking and investing your hamster points in these pools, and also your consistency while completing the daily tasks every day. So the question is, do you want maximum points?